Pwede ka naman pala umakyat eh.
Kasi, hindi alam mo yung number.
Hindi ko ba sinabi?
Hindi mo sinabi. Makulit ka kapag nilalaro ka eh.
Mauntog ka. Wala na. Kailangan mo lang antukin, babe. Tigil-tigilan mo na eh. Magpatay kayo, ma'am. Papa, nagdadasal yung anak mo.
Kaya.
More daw, more. Baka sumuka yan ah. I can be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Believe with conviction, I will certainly never realize that every path I make, every road is gone. The place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. Turn around. Yeah. Sino kasi nagsabi magdala ng rush cord yun? Naghanap pa man din kanina. Ako naman nag-iiyak. Check mo. What can you see inside? Let's see, let's see.
A bow.
It's so malabo naman. Naglalaro na siya ng moon. Lagot ka sa moon. Agaw, akit na! Dito ka sa kabila pa. Dito ka sa kabila. Ayun na si Papa no. Isa pa. Antayin mo si Papa. Hello. Dito ka harap, di ko makita. Ganda. Ganda oh, Papa oh. 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 Oh, boy, may ganun pa.
Miranda. Basket.
Tingnan mo!
Ayan na, Leo Julie.
Yung papa kong sinundo ako for the first time ulit. Ang papa ko. Ah, Pagi! Ano yung ginagawa ng anak mo?
Gabi-gabi na lang. Bawa na ako sa'yo. Kahit ako. Ang tao ko. Yeah.
Tapos mahuli pala yung pagdapa mo dyan. Sige. Put on cam ka mamaya. Di ba, papi? Papi. Sura na anak mo.
Layo mo kasi.
Layo. Ay, nakakita ng Magic Mixie. Matapon. No, hindi na daw yan bibilin ni Papa. Di ba sabi mo bike na? No? Picture. Yes, 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 yes.
Happy Easter Bunny! Happy Easter Bunny!
Hindi ka kita. Saan ka sumigaw?
Happy Easter Bunny! Happy Easter Bunny!
Tama na, tama na. So, parang kalangka. Ako pa lang. Meron naman siya. Bebe, halika rito.
Bilis na.
Eya! Check Mixie. Your dad? Who's your dad? When did you have a dad? Okay. Purple now. Okay. Oh, you have? This is so hard. You have to add the crystal. Here's the crystal. Oh, go add. Go mix it. Mix, mix, mix. We need you to give us, ano papa? Ball pen. Come on. What will you name your toy? What will you name your toy today? Chelsea Zia.
No.
What? Come on. Come on, you need to create na. Come on. Come on. What? Kitten? Okay, here's the kitten. You will name her toy kitten. Oh, here. It's orange. Wait till you mix up. Orange light, go. I'll go mix. Mix, let's see what will happen. Go mix, 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 mix. Alright, say the magic word. Magic is mixus, go.
Magic is mixer.
Oh, see what will happen. Come on. What's going on? Oh my god. What's that, Tia? Oops. Silly. What's that? Dito ka lang. Sit down. Oh my god. Let's see what will happen. Okay, there you go. It's going to pop. Okay, there you go. What's that? Get your toy. No. Sit here. I mean,
Twist to release.
twist to release. Okay. Go. Paganon, paganon. Go, twist. Okay. Did you get it? Ooh, is this your Mixie? What happened to his feet? What else do you have here? Okay, let's cut. I forgot to cut something. I think we'll cut something here. Twist to release. Okay. Oh, there you go. Come on.
Limang piso, fine.